chef life, I'll come to Jamaica. Make sure you put that.
Oh my God. Can I get you from myself? That's my mind.
One and only advanced deeply boss and a big up chef life, you know. On TikTok.
People?
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
I don't know RG150. I represent Chef Life JA. See break.
Chef underscore life. Please, guys, try the food. You don't understand. But
oh my God, yeah, welcome to one episode of Personal Chef Service to Chef Life JA, yeah? Yay! Say don't want to say we have one dinner bookings in idea. Yeah, done by Soleil. Yeah. Oh my God, yeah, chef get it in. In a real life, say I'm gonna just do the right thing. Yeah, man, I say people, yeah, so remember, tell a friend, boy, best Personal Chef Service in Jamaica, alright? Yeah, let's go people. Say yo, we're gonna go shopping. Oh my God! Say yo, people, I don't know say yo. We are shop right now, you understand? Yeah. They don't know so I to Freeport. Dinner is to be ready by 8 o'clock. Oh my God. Yeah, we have Chef Marlon, you know even way in it. Chef. I look for you. You come in my head. Right now. Ready, we're ready. And I realize. Yeah, so people say, you know, say right now we are gonna do the right thing, yeah? Yeah, Freeport and free people. So remember, if you have not smashed that subscribe button, please do the right thing. Let's be a chef Marlon. Outside. Wait one here. Wait one here. Yeah, so welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. I know that we're heading to Soleil, located in Freeport, Montego Bay. Oh my God. So remember, you know, people, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. And remember, yeah, it will help support the channel, yeah. And to our extreme left, you know, that is Breathless Resort. And that is the entrance to Breathless Resort, and Secrets is to our right, alright? Yay! So remember, you know, people, come on, if you're new to the channel, remember, drop a comment and let me know, alright? So you know that we're going down by Soleil, you know, to cook for 6 persons, you know. Yeah man, so we're going to do some dinner service right now. I don't know, so for one dinner service we have some oxtail. Yay! So other people want to love oxtail, and just go and do the right thing and go and drop in the comment section, alright? Yeah man, and let us do the right thing, alright? Remember, tell a friend, about the best Personal Chef Service, alright? Yeah, and if you have any question, just drop in the comment section. Oh my God, welcome, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, so welcome to the beautiful Soleil. Yay, yeah man. So you don't know, say this is Soleil, and you don't know, say so we're on the gate through, and we'll go through slowly but surely, alright? Yay, so remember, link to book this location will be in the description. So man, so people, look at the beautiful community and tell me what you think in the description, alright? Remember, you can book various different floors, yeah? And all the links is in the description, alright? Oh my God. Do the right thing, alright? You don't know, so we're on location right now, oh my God, yeah? Yay! We're back in our guys. Yes, so we have a good them. This food them they right this up. Yeah, and it's our nice kitchen people. Please not begging to come book the nice space. Kude. Modern kitchen, alright people. Yeah. Well clean. Look at that. So we'll be having dinner ready for 8 o'clock. Look at the view. Oh my God. Yay! Kude. Well nice, yeah. Let's go. Let's take a look outside. Wow. This is the evening view, my people. Look at that. They're right this one. Well, look at that. Let's see the chance. See that? Oh my God. Tell me some beer on this. So you know, so we thought the oxtail pan running water and then we're going to clean it, alright? And you see, fish there, so right now I go and scale, yeah, you understand? And then now we have all our ingredients. We have red onion because you could hear the parts, and we have all our green onion, we have some carrot, and we have some tomatoes there as well. Yeah, you don't know, say fish with silver snapper is seasoned. Yeah, and we have a sliced plantain ready to fry. Right, yeah, and we don't know, say oxtail day, and I put a go and bubble. Yeah, people, you don't know, say this is a oxtail day. Yeah, oxtail tastes so nice, I gotta book us twice, alright? Yeah, man, I'm moving over, you don't know, so we have a rice and peas right there, and I got over here, so yeah, we have a sauce that's really going for dessert, alright? Oh my god, see that? Yeah, man. I don't know, so this is our escovitch sauce. Oh my god. Here we go, escovitch sauce, people, no joke. So right now, you don't know, I'm currently sitting in the table, yeah, for 6 persons. Yeah, I don't know, they're here in Jamaica on vacation. This is their first night, so I'll be cooking, preparing some nice food for them, you know, for them to book our service twice because our name is Chef Life J.A. Big up Team Chef Life, you understand? Yeah. And big up Chef Marlon when I'm building too as well, but he can't panic with the guests. I left all I work on. Oh my god, boy, Marlon. Yes, I don't know, so we're going to do the right thing, people. No joke about it, alright? So I'm here setting the table for 6 persons. Yeah, and I'm currently cleaning the table and make sure it's everything alright. I get some boy twice. So remember, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button, alright? If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section, alright? Yay! Oh my god, big up Team Chef Life, alright people? Oh my god, did the right thing. Yeah man, let's go.
You have to be a professional chef like this guy. Chef David.
God, so remember, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button, Team Chef Life, oh my god.
Yeah, look on my rum cake, you know, man, I said top with my nice peach sauce. Yeah, so now I'm gonna pour my sauce all over the cake, you know. Yeah, so the cake tastes extra nice. Oh my god. So first thing that I'm doing, I'm filling up the hole in the center of the cake, and then, you know, I'm gonna let all my peach sauce run all over that cake. Yay! Oh my god, look on the good sauce, you know. People, if you're interested in booking my service, all you gotta do is send me an email, alright? Yeah, kude. Wow, look on all that juicy. Yay! If you like what you're seeing, please let me know in the comment section, alright? Yeah man. Oh my god. One Team Chef Life.